Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Let's get started. What is your name?
My name is Rashid. It is a common name in Bangladesh.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. It is a beautiful country in South Asia.
What do you study?
I study English literature and language.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mahez Uddin. He is a hard-working man.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rehena Begum. She is very caring.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have two brothers, my elder brother Raihan and my middle brother Russell.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 01985915462.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because it looks fresh and calm.
What do you do every morning?
I wake up early, brush my teeth, and perform my prayer.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you go to college every day?
I go to college on weekdays.
How do you go to college?
I go to college on foot.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, eggs, or rice for breakfast.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I study, rest, or play sports in the afternoon.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in my free time.
What do you do at night?
I study a little, then go to sleep.
What time do you sleep?
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you use mobile phone a lot?
Yes, I use mobile phone for study and communication.
What is your hobby?
I love playing football and cricket and going outside for fun.
Do you like playing football?
Yes, I like playing football with my friends.
What is your favorite food?
Biryani and roast are my favorite foods.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like coffee more than tea.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avatar.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading English books.
Who is your favorite writer?
My favorite writer is William Shakespeare.
Do you like music?
Yes, music makes me feel relaxed.
What do you do in your free time?
I practice English and spend time with my friends and family.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English to speak confidently and get a good job.
Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes, yes, but I am improving every day.
Do you practice English speaking?
Yes, I try to practice English every day.
Who helps you learn English?
My teachers and online videos help me a lot.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a successful person and help my family.
Do you want to go abroad?
Yes, I want to travel to America.
What is your dream?
My dream is to make my parents proud.
Do you want to be fluent in English?
Yes, I want to be fluent in English.
Are you confident about your future?
Yes, I believe in myself.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing now?
I am having a meeting with you.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course, I will help you.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Could you speak slowly?
Okay, I will speak slowly.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I can repeat it.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
What does this word mean?
This word means brave.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.